Hello and welcome to your April speaking test. Today we will talking about your daily routines, the thing you do every day. I will ask you 10 questions. Please answer in full sentences. Are you ready?
Yes.
Let's begin. What time do you wake up every day?
I wake up at 6 o'clock every day.
What do you do after you wake up?
After I wake up, I wash my face and brush my teeth.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat rice and egg for breakfast.
What time do you go to school?
I go to school at 6:45.
How do you go to school?
I go to school by motorbike.
What do you do in the afternoon?
In the afternoon, I study more at the teacher house.
What time do you have dinners?
I have dinner at 8 o'clock.
What do you do in the evening?
In the evening, I study English.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 10 o'clock.
What do you usually do at the weekend?
On the weekend, I usually have my grandma sing.
Thank you so much. You speak clearly and did a good job. Keep practicing your daily routine in English. See you in the next test.
Thank you, teacher.
Okay.